What's up, bosses? Welcome to episode number 28, where I share actionable micro lessons that you can use inside of your business to help you produce results. Today, I'm going to share with you how to create these beautiful Instagram and Facebook stories so that you can promote your products, your services, your business opportunity, your events, or whatever else that you have going on. But first, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure that you do so by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video each and every week. So I don't know how you use Facebook and Instagram stories, but that is prime real estate. You see, here's the thing. If you notice on Instagram, what is the first thing that you see at the top, those little circles? It's stories, right? What's the first thing that you see when you log into Facebook? You see the little stories. They're hot real estate on social media. And if you are not utilizing those areas for creating stories, you're missing the boat. Now, stories are good for a lot of different things. I mean, you can get really creative when it comes to creating Instagram and Facebook stories. But what I want to teach you in this episode is how to create video Instagram and Facebook stories. I think you're gonna love this training. Let's go ahead and jump on over to my computer and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so the very first place you wanna go to is canva.com. If you don't know what canva.com is, it's basically a free tool that you can use to create these images for social media and your other projects, right? So what you'll do is you'll come here into the search bar and you're gonna type in Instagram story, and you'll see it right there. So you just click it and it's going to open it up right here. And you can see that the template is already sized for an Instagram story. So now they actually have templates here that you can use. So you can choose, whatever templates you want to create either images. So you could just slide them right in there, okay, or just click them. And you'll see that you could just dump your images right in here, create these really pretty Instagram stories. So let's say, for example, I wanted to dump that there and that there. Okay. And then you could edit it however you want. If you don't like the template, you can go ahead and change it and, just change it out again until you actually like the way you want it. When you're done, you click download. Well, you save it and then you click download as a PNG onto your computer. Okay. And then what you do is you email it to yourself. And then from your cell phone, you open up your email and you download this image. And then you upload this image to your Instagram story. And that's how you create really pretty Instagram images. Now, let's talk about creating Instagram story videos. This is a little different and requires a little bit more work. So what you're going to do is you're going to design your template, but whatever template that you decide to choose or whatever template that you actually design yourself. So let's say this is the template that you wanted to use. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to get rid of, let's say, this picture here. And you have a space here now for your video, okay? So we'll use this as an example. Now, this is just so that you can see how the video would look. You just basically take a screenshot of your video. So this is a screenshot of my video. And then I just cut it out, right? And then, you could change these colors however you want and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you can design it however you want. Now, I'm going to show you the template that I actually created already for my stories. And so I am going to open it up right here. This one right here. So this is a template that I have for my Instagram stories. You could see here that there's a blank space here for my video because I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it in my video editor. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. Okay, so I downloaded that to my computer. And now we're going to go inside of the video editor. Now this will work with any video editor you have. You just have to make sure that when you go to create a new project, and if you don't know how to do it, you're going to have to kind of YouTube it and try to figure it out. But with my video editor, this is where we go. I actually use Wondershare Filmora. And you can see here they have all these different sizes that you can choose from. You're going to choose the portrait. So it's 9:16. So we'll click that. And now we're going to go ahead and import the video, and the video should be under 60 seconds. So let me go ahead and grab my video. Okay, so you import your video, and then you're going to drag it down here to a video section. And now we're going to import the image. And now what we need to do is we need to put the image underneath the video. So because this is not going there, I'm gonna have to add another video track. Put my video up there and the image down here. Okay, so now you can see, right? So now we need to stretch it out. So now my video is embedded into my image. So watch me play it and you'll be able to see it. See that? If you have your own digital courses, there we go. Or maybe you're a coach or a consultant and you want to create additional income streams. So that is how you do it. Okay, so you just make sure that your video is about 1 minute long. And if you want to put like a call to action at the end saying something like, you know, watch the full video here or whatever, you can put that at the end as well. You could see here, I have the link on my image as well that says see full video here. And that takes them to my blog post to watch the video. So that is how you create these beautiful Instagram images or these beautiful Instagram video templates for your Instagram stories. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this super simple micro lesson. Do you see how fun that is? Do you see how creative you can get with your Instagram and Facebook stories? I really hope that you go out and you implement this strategy and just test the waters and see how it's working inside of your business to drive traffic to wherever you want to drive traffic to. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that link right below this video to discover methods that I use in my business that you can start implementing in your business as well. So click that link right below this video now, and I'll see you over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.